Today we have our 2016 911 GT3RS in paint to sample Voodoo Blue. It has been ceramic coated, it's got PPF on the nose, it has never had any paint, it is about as new as they come. We helped the previous owner purchase the car several years ago and it has recently been traded. So we're going to put it through its paces, and I'm not sure what we can tell you other than it is a GT3RS, and you know, we've had them before. Anyone who's looking, this is a pretty fine example. Okay, well, as we said, there's not a whole hell of a lot that needs to be said about a GT3RS. We are just warming it up, and as you can see from the illuminated sign on the gauge cluster, that will tell us when she is warmed up. So we chose this one because the air conditioning works exceptionally well, and in between the vintage stuff we're videoing today, this was just calling our name so we could have a breather. There isn't much that need be said of a 911 GT3RS. They do everything right. So we'll be back to you. Okay, well, she's at operating temperatures. We're just going to show you how she loves the twisties. You know, you could use the paddles and downshift it. Taking care of as you get, and as cool as you get, because paint's to sample. So, and it brakes straight, and it turns, and it turns, and it brakes some more. So as you can see, the cruising ability of this car is also second to none, because I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but you know, it cruises. It's cruising, 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 cruising. And if you want to get on it, it just goes. So I don't know if we need to get on it any longer or any harder, but anyone who wants a GT3RS knows exactly how much horsepower they have and what they're capable of. So this one, she's been good, she is good, and she's going to be good to the next owner as well. So happy to have you ask us any questions you may have.